Dates Rice Flour Fried Fritters, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice flour recipes and one of the most nutritious of the fritter recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dates recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fritter recipes and one of the most unique of the fried recipes. It can also be called dates sweet poa. Today we are going to make dates rice flour fried fritters. We have taken around 150 grams of rice flour in a bowl. We've taken 100 grams of dates from which we have taken out the seeds. This can be used to make the fritters. We have taken around 150 grams of unrefined sugar or brown sugar or jaggery, and we have dissolved in around 100 to 150 ml of water. This is the result. Now put in the dates into the grinder. Pour in a little amount of the brown unrefined sugar water. Close and grind well. Now transfer the ground dates into the bowl. Put in the rice flour into the grinder. Pour in the unrefined sugar water. Put in half a spoon of baking powder. Or if you are using baking soda, you can put in a pinch of baking soda. And grind well. Now pour in the rice flour mixture into the ground dates that we made earlier. Put in the next batch of rice flour and grind well after adding the unrefined sugar water mixture. In the dates with the rest of the mixture. After pouring in the next batch, thoroughly mix it in. We thoroughly mix until the dates in the rice flour mixture is nicely mixed. Let this mixture rest for 20 minutes. Heat the pan and pour in 50 to 60 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now pour in the dates rice flour mixture into the oil and let it fry. Reduce the oil to medium heat. Let the mixture fry. Turn it over. Let it fry further. Turn it over. Now this can be taken off the pan after draining off the oil. Now pour in the next batter. Let it fry. Now turn it over. And let it fry further. In medium heat. Turn it over. Now this can be taken off the flame and onto the plate after draining off the oil. Do this until all the batter is made into the fritters by pouring in the batter into the oil. This is the final Dates Rice Flour Fried Fritters, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the dates recipes and one of the most different of the fried recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the fritter recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.